Mechanics will charge you good amount of dollars to replace the headlight for this car, but after watching this video, you can do the replacement yourself. First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be pushed towards upside, and then we lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a clip that we will take out using a screwdriver. There is the top portion of the clip taken out. Now using a clip remover tool, we will take out the bottom portion. Bottom part is also out. Now we'll use a Torx 30 bit along with a screwdriver like this. With a combination of tool like this, we will take out a screw right there. There's that screw taken out. Similar screw we will take out on the top portion where the hood hinge is. Second screw is also out. Now what we'll do is we'll push the headlight just like this and then jump onto the top portion. Notice here I am pushing the headlight, then while holding it like that, I will punch in a trim remover tool and then pull out the tab of the headlight right there. There it is, the headlight tab is pulled out. We'll grab the headlight from the same position and then pull out the complete headlight just like that. There we got the headlight taken out from that position. This is how the headlight looks like from behind, and here's the main big plug that is holding on to the headlight. First what we'll do is we will create some sort of room for us just like that. Then we will press and hold that tab right there and pull out the plug. There we got the plug pulled out. Once the plug is out, that is how we take out the headlight completely. In my case, the headlight is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new headlight and you want to install it back, we'll go ahead and punch in the plug first, which is right here. This is the only plug holding onto the headlight. It is a little tight spot, so you may have to work your way out. Just make sure the tab side of the plug is facing towards the engine. Once the plug is in position, then we will press it down until we hear a clicking sound. We got the plug in position. Now if you notice underneath the headlight, there's actually a big pointer coming out just like this. That big pointer is supposed to go in that bracket at the bottom right there, the white color one. So while installing the headlight, just make sure that pointer goes completely inside that bracket. Now we need to make sure that this part of the headlight as well as the other part, they both go completely inside the bumper. Also, this tab of the headlight is supposed to go underneath the cover right here. We'll grab the headlight and then punch in the bottom two glass portions. We got the bottom position in place. One way to check it's completely in, notice there is a hole visible right here and the other hole is also visible on top. After this, we will go at the top and then punch in the headlight tab right there. There it is, it's also in position. Starting from the bottom, I'll punch in the clip and then press it down. Clip is in. Now I will go ahead and punch in the screw, then tight all the way till the very end. First screw is tight. Similar way we will tighten the second screw at the top. Second screw is also tight. With that, we are done with our replacement process. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.